Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving the app what it needs: Wi-Fi and location on, permissions accepted, and physical proximity within 5 to 50 meters. Next, decide root versus non-root. Root lets the app run direct checks for more accuracy, while non-root relies on simulated PIN attempts. Once done, open WPS Connect, refresh the scan, and immediately filter results by signal strength. Make sure to tap the router entry you intend to test and proceed to the connection step. You now run the core sequence. Choose Connect and pick a PIN method. The app shows attempt status, success percentage, and time per try. Watch those metrics to adjust pacing. If you recognize the router brand, switch to its specific PIN list because brand lists yield higher match rates. Once attempts run, use test mode when you do not want full authentication. This reduces intrusion yet reveals vulnerability. Make sure to switch methods after several failures, and monitor signal strength for reliable retries. You finish by saving any recovered credentials in a secure vault and immediately testing the connection to confirm internet access. If you fail, first change position relative to the router, then retry using alternate PIN lists or custom entries. Also toggle airplane mode or reboot Wi-Fi to reset session locks. For one key troubleshooting approach, enable verbose logging inside the app. Clear its cache, reboot your device, and wait 30 seconds before rescanning. This often reveals transient errors and unlocks stalled attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.